I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with ownership and access. You must know the device PIN or password. Once ready, back up any transaction receipts so nothing is lost. Now, go straight to Settings, then Security or Biometrics. This is where Android manages fingerprints. You're doing this because Google Pay trusts the system biometric. Removing the fingerprint at system level is the only reliable path. Make sure the device is unlocked. Otherwise, you cannot delete a registered fingerprint, so unlock it and proceed. You will authenticate with your PIN, then tap the fingerprint entry and choose Remove. Do this for every listed fingerprint. Once done, reopen Google Pay so it recognizes there are no enrolled biometrics and will fall back to your screen lock method. If any fingerprint remains, Google Pay can still prompt biometric auth, so make sure every fingerprint entry is deleted. While you remove fingerprints, understand why. Google Pay links to system biometrics for security, not a separate app setting. You're nearly finished. Make sure Google Pay is configured to use the screen lock as the approval method. Once done, reboot the device. This clears cached biometric state. If Google Pay still asks for a fingerprint, verify no hidden or secondary fingerprints exist in settings. Then remove and re-add your Google account in the app to reset authentication bindings. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting tip is to reboot and recheck the biometrics list. Usually, that clears the mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.